Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Blue E. I hope that you enjoyed my last video. This video I want to talk about fertility tests. If you're trying to get pregnant, you will need to do some basic tests. The first test will be to see, just why you're not getting pregnant. Then when it comes to the woman's side, they will check for your hormone levels to see if progesterone is okay, to see if your estrogen is okay, to see if everything is balanced, really. And they'll also do a blood test to see whether you're ovulating or not. There'll be some ultrasound scans. They'll need to check to see if your fallopian tubes are open, because if they're blocked, then they will meet the sperm. Because if they're blocked, they will stop the sperm and the egg meeting together and you being able to get pregnant. When it comes to the men, they will be looking at your semen analysis. They'll ask you for semen analysis. They want to see whether your sperm is performing the right way. They want to check the quantity, the quality, and the shape of it as well. Just want to see that everything is okay, because as we know, infertility can come from both sides, from the male and from the female side. So these are some of the tests that doctors will ask you. I know that these tests can sometimes feel overwhelming, but they need to be done just so that so that your doctors can help you in the best way possible. They need to know your background. They need to know which treatment that you might require. Sometimes it could just be a lack of a vitamin, but sometimes it's something else, something a bit more complex. So try not to think about it too much and just take your doctor's advice and just get these tests done to get the ball rolling, to find out what's the cause, why you're not getting pregnant. And one thing as well is I've just learned not to be afraid of any test that they ask me to do, because at the end of the day, we all want to get to the root cause, we all want to get answers. So it's best to just get these tests done as soon as possible. Remember that every fertility journey is different. So do not compare yourself to anyone else's, even if these people are going through infertility themselves. In the next video, I'll talk about some of the main causes of infertility and what this can mean for your journey. So if you know anyone who's going through infertility at the moment, please recommend them my video. If you're going through infertility yourself, leave us a comment. Tell us your experiences with all these tests. Just tell us which tests you've done, so that if there's someone who's out there who hasn't started to do these tests, this is always helpful to everyone, because sometimes, unfortunately, we can fall into the unexplained infertility bracket. And just by doing a simple test, we can find out what's wrong with us. So please do share your experience on the comment section, and like the video and subscribe. And share the video with anyone who you might think it might be helpful to. Assalamualaikum. Until next video.